Phalanta phalantha. The common leopard or spotted rustic is a sun-loving butterfly belonging to the order Lepidoptera. I always feel lost in the beauty of these delicate butterflies. They are work of art designed with such perfection by Allah. Common leopard is a medium-sized butterfly with a wingspan of 50 to 55 millimeters. Wings have a tawny color and marked with black spots. They're sun-loving and avoid shade, possessing active and sharp flight movement. Proboscis enables them to extract sweet nectar from the flowers it feeds upon. Compound eyes enable them to see in different directions. Forelegs are claw-fed in hair-like scales, inspiring the familial name brush-footed butterflies. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe SOha's Nature Close-Ups if nature brings you smile too.